guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. So guys, first of all, thank you so much to each and everyone for your lovely wishes. Yeah, thanks for each and everyone's lovely wishes. Yes, I cannot shoot today, like I was not able to because I was like so busy, but yes, it is 7:30 right now and I have a plan at 9 o'clock. And thank you so much everyone who wished me and have made edits and put status and everything. So I'm so happy. I'm really grateful, although this vlog might not be very long. I'm just trying to put the things here and there so that you can see. Also, I have received a very special gift from my office colleague, my sister, my friend Nazira. So I am very excited to open. Let's open. By the way, I'm not very sure what she has given, so I'm just going to open it here. Let's open the present. Although I am so tired, like I'm seriously very tired. I can't even describe in words. I'm that tired, but open and see what is inside. Wow, that's a really cool purse. This is so good. Looks so good, like even with my fit. Thank you so much, Nazira. It is seriously so good. I didn't even expect, like it's amazing. Thank you so much. It's so good. Yee, loved it. It's actually so good. Loved it. Thank you. I also got a chocolate from my bestest friend. So this is my favorite hazelnut chocolate. Thank you so much for this. And yeah, I am actually very exhausted at the moment. Like I'm too exhausted to even speak or say anything. I'll just show you. Why is my scarf like this here? I'll just show you my outfit. I got this top from Al Libas. That's my favorite shop in Triplicane. You can check out. It's my favorite shop in Triplicane. Look, oh my god, this is my birthday fit. I really like how everything is like pairing with my outfit. I'm so tired, so I'm going to quickly take a, like I'm going to just relax a bit. And I'm so sorry, it's already like 8 o'clock and a lot of messages are pending. I still haven't replied to my friends. I'll definitely reply to each and everyone before I sleep for sure. Hey guys, so I have started. I got ready. I feel really relaxed. I wanted to dress up, I wanted to do my makeup, everything, but I am way too tired actually. I think barbecue after really long time. I think after a year, I think so. So I'm excited to go. Barbecue, everything has the same thing, but cold barbecue has different varieties, I think so. I'll try to show you so that you can check out, and I'll also tell you the pricing, my experience, taste, quality, everything. Quantity, of course, it's unlimited. So yeah, let's go. We go. So I have come to Cole Barbecue, and it's 9:40. Still, they have not started because there is like a lot of rush here. Many people are waiting outside also. So we had a reservation yesterday itself. I did the booking. So yeah, I'm excited always to have, and I'll also show you what are the options they have. Although but still I'll show you. Started off with Cajun potato and a drink, and I was waiting for the BBQ to start. And here I have lot of things in my plate, but to be really honest, the taste was good. It was not great, but it was good, and we kept going on for an hour. So I'm done with all the starters. It's 10:40. Yes, after an hour completed with that. Now I'll go to main course. I'll not have heavy. I'll have curd rice. Wherever I go, I love to have curd rice. So I'll go and have it. And I'll also show you what options they have. Chutney, Volga puri, onion, dosa hona ki. Dosa hona ki. Acha. Kon? Chili garlic noodles, do you want? Please take it if you want. You want chili garlic? Take it, brother. You want mithai malai? You want mithai malai? Yes. Dal tadka. Do you want dal tadka? Jeera aloo?
जीरा आलू
Yes. घर में खाई नहीं साल हुए यहाँ वो खाओ कहता है नहीं क्या बोलूँ मैं 900 रुपये दल का आलू आ रहा है स्टीम राइस हैदराबादी वेज बिरयानी चिली गार्लिक फ्राइड राइस चिकन बिरयानी ओह माय गॉड मेरा दही का खाना मिसिंग फिश टिक्का मसाला मटन. Yes, I had my favorite curd rice there and ended up with this yummy dessert. 12 now, so I just reached home. Yes, I look very exhausted. I'll add all the pictures, photos. First of all, and like I cold barbecue I went. It was good. I would not say it was great because lot of options were missing. The taste also I didn't. I would give overall thing 7 on 10, but I would not recommend you to go to cold barbecue. Maybe you can try Grill Box in Mylapore. It's amazing good. So yeah, apart from that, I also got another gift. Much to each and everyone for wishing, and till now it's like 12, right? Till now the messages are pending and I'm not wantedly ignoring anybody's message. I have to reply because each and every message values me a lot. Like it really means a lot to me. So definitely I will reply tomorrow. For sure I'll reply. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and yeah, happy birthday to me. Thank you. Here is this, let's see. Oh, there are 2 different tops from Style Union. Thank you bhabhi and bhaiya. This is so pretty, like with the work and all. I like usually wear like these only to the office, and it's actually my size. So this, and here is another top. Thank you so much bhabhi bhaiya, thank you. It is so pretty. I like as you all know, I generally wear these to my office every single day, and I really like this print and all. I really love even the work here. As you can see, I really love this. So thank you so much bhabhi, thank you so much bhaiya.
Happy birthday